Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm really excited to share a shopping haul of Asia exclusive items that I was able to snag. Now, most of these items are beauty products, but stay tuned until the end because I have the most special bag unboxing that I am so excited to show you guys. So if we haven't met, my name is Jo and I'm a lover of all luxury bags and beauty. If you like this type of content, please like and subscribe and be sure to click the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. So unfortunately, I was not the one that got to go on this trip, but my friend who was going overseas very graciously offered to see if she could hunt down some of the wish list items I had been looking for. All of these things I believe she found in Seoul while she was in Korea. So I literally just picked up these items from her today and I'm going to be unboxing them in real time on this video. So I'm really excited to share them with you and make sure you stay tuned until the end. I'm going to save the best for last. The Polene bag will be held to the end and I am so excited to show it to you. So as I said, we're going to start out with the luxury beauty products. I'm going to let you know up front that all of the items I had asked for on my wish list were cushion compacts. And the reason for this is because cushion compacts are so popular in Asia, especially in places like Korea and Japan. However, they haven't really taken off here in the United States. And so I think these big beauty brands really decided to, focus on providing these products where there is a high demand. And so you cannot find a lot of these cushion compacts here in the US. So the first one we're going to look at today is from Prada Beauty. All right, so here we have the Prada Beauty cushion. And I'll say another reason I asked for a lot of these items is because I'll just be honest, I am a straight up sucker for really cute packaging. And look at this gorgeous compact. How beautiful. Oh, and look! My initials are engraved. Oh my goodness. That is so cool. Wow, I love that. All right, I'm going for it. Ooh, so satisfying. It's more of a mesh material. So it's like a finer kind of cloth on there instead of a sponge. So, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and dip in. It's really cool. All right, and I am just applying this. Wow, that applies really nicely. But honestly, I would have gotten this just for the packaging, even if it was a crap product. I'm not gonna lie, I am a sucker for packaging. So this is a refill, and then she did get me one other thing. I'm so excited for this one. She got me a mini! Oh my goodness. Look at it. Ah, look at that. Oh my gosh. I am such a sucker for minis, and she was so thoughtful knowing that I love minis. And so she got me this one too. I believe this one came as a gift with purchase if she bought the refill. I don't know why this makes me so happy, but it does because that is absolutely adorable. All right, I think I'll give this one a 4 out of 5. I like the formula. The color shade is perfect on me. It does feel a little light. I don't know if that is meaning there's not a lot of product or if, the compact isn't just in a very sturdy case. But I will say, I love that it has my initials engraved on it and it gets major bonus points for the little mini as well. All right, next is Tom Ford and his beauty line. It's just so luxe. And let me tell you, look at this. How beautiful is this? I almost don't want to open it. All right, so let's dig in. Like I said, this feels a lot heavier than the other one. Oh my, wow, look at this. Comes in this fancy micro suede. This is luxe. Oh my goodness. Wow. That is gorgeous. This is so luxe. This feels expensive. So I am gonna go ahead and open this one. Oh, I could probably reseal this one. Cool, this is a very cool mesh. Okay, so the Tom Ford is a little warmer. I'll probably save this one for the summer. This one I would rate as a 4.5 out of 5, only because I'm pretty sure it costs an arm and a leg, but the packaging alone is like 11 out of 10. It's so beautiful. All right, next we have YSL Beauty, and they always have the most beautiful packaging. Ooh, look at this. So festive for the holidays. So this is shade 20, which I think will be a good match for me. Oh, wow. Guys, look at that. I do have 2 other cushion compacts that I picked up when I had previously gone to Asia a year or 2 ago. So here is my newest addition. This one is also a pretty good shade match for me. It's like a little color, which is good because my face is usually a little paler than the rest of my body. I will say I definitely prefer this normal formula over this was the Glow Pack cushion. The Glow was definitely too glowy for me in this one. So if you are able to snag this, if you're getting it, I would get it for the packaging, not necessarily for the product. But this one is really nice. The finish is really great on it. Overall, I would probably give it, I think probably a 4 out of 10. I really like the packaging, and the formula itself is pretty good. Last one we'll have to unbox is from Dior. So this is from the holiday collection, and I'm kind of excited because now I have the shopping bag as well, because you guys know I love collecting useless shopping bags. Unfortunately, I don't think I got any of the Asia exclusive gifts with purchase, because they have some amazing gifts with purchase in Asia. But I ended up with a free Miss Dior perfume and then the cushion compact. So let's take a look. So pretty. Like the quilts. I think it looks really, really pretty. Great detail. So the way that this works is this is just the open compact, and then they sell these refills, and then you just snap it into place. So compared to the Tom Ford one, now the Tom Ford one feels like very weighty and substantial. This one is closer to the Prada one. It's much lighter, but it's also a lot thinner. So I feel like this one is a lot more travel friendly. However, I will say, like, this is white. This is going to get so dirty, and it's going to get dirty really fast. So I'm a little nervous about that. Oh, wow, that's nice. I like how they have Dior in there. Oh, here we go with Dior. So I would say, I think I would give this actually probably a 3.5 out of 5, just because this compact is going to get dirty and that's just going to ruin the experience for me. So I probably wouldn't recommend this compact, but I would recommend the cushion formula. Here is the final of the 4 swatches, just in case you're curious. Again, this was Prada, this is Tom Ford, this is YSL, and this is Dior. Another thing I find interesting is that from a transfer test here, they all seem very, like, they dried down well, and they didn't really transfer onto my hands. So that's just something else to note. I think if I had to pick one of the cushion compacts, I would honestly probably pick the Dior. I feel like the coverage level was good, and but they all do have a very similar finish. That said, while I liked the ones that I tried today, Those are all luxury cushion compacts and they're wonderful, but really you're paying a markup for the packaging, the experience. And honestly, there are plenty of other cushions that are available and accessible to the US that cost a fraction of the price. So two that come to mind are Tier, which is extremely popular already. You can get this on Amazon, and Jongsaemul, I hope I'm saying that right. This is another cushion I absolutely love, and these are both the mini versions of them, so you could buy these and kind of try it out to see if you like cushion compacts before you really commit. I would definitely recommend both of these. All right, and now the moment I have been super excited for. This is the bag that I snagged. Now, this is from the Polene store in Seoul. So this is an Asian exclusive bag that was sold only in select places overseas. So I saw this bag a few weeks ago on TikTok. One of the creators I follow, her name is It's Celesta or It's Celesta, and she had shared this bag, and the moment I saw it, I took a screenshot of it. I started researching because I knew I had to have it. And I thought it was a long shot because I think when I looked it up, it had been sold out. But my friend sent me a text and told me she was able to grab me one, and that Seoul was one of the only places left that had this bag in stock. So I am super excited. So I'm going to unbox it here. I am going to do an unboxing on my short form content. So if you see it there, please still act surprised and send it some love, but you guys are gonna get to see it first. So this is the beautiful packaging. As you can see, there's Polene embossed there, and then there is some Asian characters. This is really unique packaging. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, here we go. Can you guys guess what it is? If you've watched her channel, you'll know what it is. This is the Micro Dice. Oh my goodness, you guys, how cute is this? It's so tiny. So Polene is a Parisian brand. They are quite well known for their very unique, very distinct bag styles. And one of their most popular styles is the Numero 10, which is this crescent moon shape. And this is an exact version of that bag, but in a super tiny form, and I am so in love. So for those of you who don't know my channel, I am an avid collector of micro bags, nano bags, and bag charms. So I have these two already from Polene. This is the Micro Un, which is still on the Polene website, but at least for the US, it's currently sold out in all colors. And this is the Numero 9, and this one in the micro size is actually discontinued, sadly, because this one is so adorable. So as I said, this was an Asia exclusive. It was released as part of the Mid-Autumn Festival, I believe, back in October of last year. So, wow, look at that. So there's like it's more of a like silver pearly undertone to it. Originally in the picture, I thought it was white, but it's not. It has like a very soft iridescence to it. It's got this really adorable bunny bag charm that is removable, so you can actually attach it to other bags, which I absolutely love. And there it says Polene on its little leg. Very cute. I love that the strap is adjustable. Let's look at the interior. All right, it has its tag here. Rear, it's just got a light microfiber lining. Looks like this one was made in Spain as well. My goodness, you guys, this is so cute. I cannot wait to see how much fits. So definitely stay tuned. I will be making a short form content video on what fits in this cutie. I am so excited to share it. This just feels so special to have been able to get something that is quite rare. Overall, also, the bag, I believe, costs about $220 when with conversion rates and everything in US dollars. So that is pretty comparable to the other Polene micro bags that I have purchased here in the US. So I'm glad it didn't cost me significantly more. And it came with this little limited edition bag charm as well. So yeah, I am so excited. I can't wait to hear what you guys think about this cutie. So that wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching and spending a little time with me today. As always, I would love to get your thoughts in the comments below. What was your favorite compact? And also, what did you think of that little tiny Polene bag? I tell you, I am so in love, but I can't wait to hear your thoughts as well. If you like this type of content, as always, please like and subscribe. I would love to have you as a part of this community. If you'd like to watch more of my content, I'll be sure to have a playlist here on the right, and YouTube will also provide their recommended video as well. Otherwise, bye for now.